So what's the difference between somebody who is undocumented in the US and somebody who is here illegally? Is there a difference? Watch this video and I'll tell you more. In this video, we'll talk about the difference between somebody who is undocumented in the US and somebody who is here illegally. Oftentimes, people confuse the two and put everybody in the same group. So first of all, when somebody is in the United States undocumented, that means that that person entered the US illegally in the first place. Somebody that either jumped the fence or were smuggled in here or somehow found a way to enter the US without the proper documentation. And as a result, he's currently living and residing in the US without documents. We call these people undocumented. As opposed to somebody who came here on a visa. So you could be here on a tourist visa or a student visa or on a work visa, and then somehow you lost your status. You lost your status because you lost your job, so you couldn't renew your H-1B visa. You lost your status because your tourist visa expired and you didn't renew it. You lost your status because you fell out of school. Those people were legal at some point, and then they overstayed their visa because they never renewed it. At the end of the day, the undocumented person and the person who is here illegally, at the end of the day, they're both here without authorization because they don't have the proper visa. If somebody here is undocumented and then they meet a US citizen and they want to marry them, they can't just fix their paperwork so easily. They will have to eventually leave the US, apply for some sort of a waiver, and then come back even after a marriage. But if somebody is here illegally, they, let's say, overstay their visa, and then they marry a US citizen, they could easily fix their paperwork in the US without leaving, and then all their overstay period will be waived. And I often do this analysis whenever I see a client who is without status. We're trying to determine how we can help them. That is the first thing that I do. I try to analyze whether they are here undocumented or they came here with a visa and they just overstayed. And of course, based on that analysis, we'll determine what we can do for them. Hope this video helps. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with somebody who cares. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.